And we're back again with another reaction video, because I've got nothing better to do with my life than sit and watch YouTube all day. Not really true, but partially true. Anyway, we did really well yesterday with new subscribers. We got 10 new subscribers on a new channel, which is freaking awesome, and I want to thank everyone who's subscribed so far. Anyone who hasn't subscribed, what are you doing? What are you doing? Just go down below and hit that subscribe button, please. You'll make an old dude happy. It's like a charity thing, you know? Just hit the subscribe button. Do it. Now. Right. We're going to be reacting to 50 incredible moments caught on doorbell camera, also known as a ring camera. But, yep, let's go.
Using for older people, but also for the young ones too.
Camera recording.
Hi!
In today's video, we'll take a look at more incredible moments caught on doorbell cameras, which are hands down the best type of camera to capture unexpected moments. Now, let's get it on. Sometimes I wonder how certain people even got their driver's license in the first place.
How do you not know? How do you not know?
I think mom and dad have some explain.
I know how that person got their driver's license. They got their driver's license from cooking school.
To do.
Mom,
Yeah, puppy.
do we have a cat?
No, why would you say we have a cat?
Cause Dad last night was saying, "Oh, I'm gonna beat that kitty, baby." Why would Dad even want to hurt a cat?
What are you listening to? What happened? Did nobody was in
You need to be in bed, alright?
You got busted, buddy. I'm gonna beat that kitty. If we go
Go
inside.
Go to bed.
Jesus.
Good turkey. Oh.
Well, I guess now they know which turkey to choose for Thanksgiving.
That flap bit your flaps.
Maybe this was a sign to stop drinking.
Oh.
When a band randomly passed
When tragedy is caught on camera.
by this boy playing basketball, he certainly did not disappoint them.
Yes. What an awesome moment for that kid.
This poor man will never get home from work.
That's not a doorbell camera, is it? Come on, mate, you can't be that dumb.
This delivery guy decided to deliver more than just the food.
Here's your soup. Feel better.
Crop dusted on this
This
soup.
little genius is definitely living in the future.
I'm making an ice rink for my son next winter. I have to do it. What's he gonna do? That's how my missus gets around. The only difference is she sits on a broom. Just joking, babe, if you're watching. He's cruising. He's going.
With some quick thinking, this girl made the save of the decade.
Oh. Marry her.
Just a slight speed bump.
Come on, big boy. Oh. Oh, he landed. He stuck the landing.
Some days are just
Not a
worse than
doorbell
others.
camera again. Oh, there goes a wheel. Hey, don't worry, I'll just leave this here. On her foot.
This woman was in so much of a hurry that she couldn't waste time putting the pizza down to open the door.
Oh no. You dozy cow, just put the thing. Ah, there you go.
Well, I
Right,
guess
everyone
she didn't
wipes
save
their
as much
feet.
time as she had expected because now she's got to order a whole nother pizza. This porch pirate got a little confused and stole the delivery driver instead of the package.
Look at his face, he just stands there. It's obviously set up, I know, but that's brilliant. Get in here. I'm just minding my business.
This sneaky little pupper thought he could get away with stealing from his neighbor.
Looks good. Mine.
Even though the world may be filled with evil, there are still some people out there with a good heart. And one of them is this delivery driver who stopped to play basketball with a kid who was playing by himself.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Oh, you missed, but what an awesome gesture. Dunk it, dunk it. Yes! Oh, what an awesome gesture. What a nice thing to do.
Right there. There it is.
Gotta go back to work, mate. What a legend.
When this airline pilot goes on a work trip, he's often gone for a long time. So one morning, before leaving, he left his wife an amazing surprise on the doorbell camera.
He's gonna fall. Maybe not, maybe that's just something I would do.
This dog loves a new rug and can't contain his happiness.
It's not a doorbell camera. Cute dog though. Tail's gonna get you, buddy. Get it, get it, get it. Alright.
When this homeowner was drinking his morning coffee, a huge bear suddenly lumbered onto his deck in search of a delicious snack.
Nope. He's huge as well. No. What's in this one? That'll do. He's growling at it.
When you're tired after work, the brain doesn't always function quite properly.
So no, mate, you gotta use your key, buddy. Oh, bless him. Doctor or a nurse probably been on a 12-hour, 24-hour shift, bless you, man.
What
Keep it
better
up.
way to spend some quality time with your daughter than by pranking the rest of the family?
That clown would not leave. He would outpace him.
This man's got a weapon of mass destruction.
Oh, I'd kill him. What the hell? Do it again.
Bless you.
What?
What's up, bro?
Oh my god.
This girl hit a perfect home run. Animals are often much
in
more
there,
intelligent than you
stompers.
think. So when this goat performed his incredible escape, no one would have believed it if it
I
wasn't
thought it
caught
was a
on camera.
dog. Until he said goat. Flippin' heck. That goat's smarter than some people. Bye!
You know, it's always best to learn how to brake before you start riding.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, at least you hit the bush, mate. Nothing too bad. Ow.
You're supposed to. I did put the brake as soon as I hit the tree.
It's a bit late, mate.
Well, I guess sometimes learning the hard way is the only way.
Oh, more food. Don't. You got a table right there. Bye. Bye, Felicia.
Well, on the
She
bright
didn't
side,
miss.
at least she didn't spill her drink.
Oh.
When this girl was at her boyfriend's house, she went outside to get some air, or rather to let some air out. She thought she had got away with it, when in reality, it was all caught on his doorbell camera.
Just stepping out for some fresh air. You know, it's a lovely evening out here. Still going. You gotta give it time. You can't just walk straight back in. You gotta beat it out a little
This
bit.
delivery driver somehow thought the birdhouse was a package receptacle.
Oh, please fly out. Please fly out.
To be fair though, who even puts a birdhouse by their front door?
That's a good point, actually. Ah, young love.
I guess she got her revenge.
Oh, right on that.
Nothing to see
Sensitive
here,
spot.
just a unicorn clearing snow off the
I
sidewalk.
need one of those machines. Alright, mate. See, some people would find that funny if they see it in their neighborhood. I just think the guy's a complete idiot, a complete nutcase. What are you doing dressed as a unicorn cleaning the snow?
This homeowner was at home in his bedroom when he received a motion alert on his phone in the middle of the night. He checked the live view on his Ring app and saw 3 masked guys trying to enter his home. But thanks to a built-in speaker on the doorbell camera, he could quickly scare them away.
The freaking light didn't even put him off. He didn't even flinch. Look at the possum. There's a possum on the fence. There's a possum on the fence. Possum's just chilled. He's like, if I'm quiet enough, they might not see me.
Let's be honest, sometimes easy things are just hard. Just ask this dad who could not figure out how
Been
to
there,
fold up
buddy,
the baby
been there.
stroller to put it in the car.
Mom comes like that.
Pull the black things towards you. No,
Watch.
the little. Yeah.
Oh my god. There's like.
I would have launched it.
Oh, careful.
I hate
other side
those
has a
bloody
bar
push
that's
chairs.
stopping it. No.
Just push. It'll bend eventually on its own.
See the bar. You just touched it. No, Jesse. No. Right there. There's a gray bar.
She said black at first.
This thing?
No.
Watch. 2 seconds.
I hate you.
I tried telling you.
It's not a gray bar, it's a little clip.
Doorbell cameras can also be used to confuse animals. Just check out this puppy's hilarious reaction.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Where you going? Come up here. Come here.
It's gonna climb the ladder.
Go pee.
Who that?
Oh, Buttercup, you're so funny, bro. Why is that thing talking to me? It's weird.
Alright.
Alright, bye, Buttercup.
If you don't have anyone to play with, you've got to learn to
Aw.
entertain yourself.
Oh, shame. I feel bad. Someone should go play with the poor pup.
When this homeowner woke up at 3 a.m. to a motion alert, she thought she was still dreaming until she looked out the window.
What the heck? What do you do? I'll keep some. There's so many. Oh, their lawns are gonna be full of cow shit in the morning.
If they ain't crying, they ain't learning.
What?
This car said, alright, I'll pick you back up later.
Again with the car. It's a bit late. You're gonna slip. Oh, she was pretty quick. She got there pretty quick.
This has got to be the best delivery driver of all time.
You want some? I said it right here. Is that enchiladas?
You smell that?
Oh, it smells good though.
You want burrito?
Stop playing. If it's ready, I'll take one, please.
Oh,
my
nice.
goodness.
Nice.
You said that?
Always give your delivery
that?
driver a gift.
Like that. That's your favorite? Yeah.
I don't think these guys will come back after this happened.
Jehovah's Witnesses. Oh, another bear. I've never had to deal with bears before, but we've moved to Slovakia now and they've got bears. And this is probably one of my biggest things because I go out and close my chickens and that out every night. And I'm just stressing a bear's going to eat me, man. There's not a lot to me, to be fair. I'm quite skinny, so hopefully they'll leave me alone. But anybody home? Where the honey at, bitch? That's a big bear, man.
This squirrel is having the time of his life.
His name's Deez. Deez nuts?
This kid stole something very unexpected from his babysitters.
I got you something.
What do you mean you got
What's
me
he
something?
got?
I did. What the? Bourbon.
Bourbon from them?
Yeah?
He's got poured a bourbon.
Why?
Because I know you like bourbon.
Josh, you can't just take. I mean, I do like it, but you can't just take it from them.
But do you like it?
This woman
What
was
a
trying to be
legend.
sneaky and steal one of the packages, but didn't know there was a doorbell camera right in front of her the whole time.
Oh, she came with a knife.
Help you with something?
Can I get a drink of water, please?
You're on camera.
Can I get a drink of
Huh?
water?
You're on camera. You better walk away now.
I freaking hate thieves, man. Don't take shit that don't belong to you. Ah, it makes me so angry. So angry.
Okay.
Okay. Game.
Yo! Yo! Yo!
Here's why you shouldn't swim during a storm.
Oh. Holy crap. It doesn't look like it's a storm.
These sneaky chickens tried to cross the road, but their owner wasn't having it.
Get in the backyard now.
I love chickens. I've got a lot of chickens. You can probably hear some chicks in the background. They are due to get out of here as soon as it warms up. I wish mine listened like this. Oh, you got one rebel there by the bins. Oh, nice. Again, I love snakes.
This doorbell camera captured the wholesome moment when a grandpa surprised his two grandsons.
Hi, guys. I knew it. I knew it. You get me. You get me. You lied.
Where are they running to?
Come here. You're my boy.
Wholesome, so wholesome and... Aw. Throwing your hats around, little buddy. You should be
Make sure to
happy.
comment down below which of these clips was your favorite.
That turkey. I'll get you back for eating my wife Dolores. Right on the old... Right, anyway guys, that's another random reaction. Like I said before, if you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button down below. Yeah, it stops me from going grey. And have a great day. Peace.